There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place is much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel. There we're drift, we stop existing and start living. Then it feels that always love's enough for us growing. If you care enough is a journey that we took from the start. We made all these memories together. I can remember the first time that we met. The feelings you gave to me I'll never forget. I knew from that moment when our love first began, we'd last till the end of time, forever. And though there were bad times, we stood by each other and did what we had to get through. Live in my heart when you're far away. I see you in dreams where I hear you say, I'm with you forever. Light of the day and stars held on each other to face what we had to get through. Live in my heart when you're far away. I see you in dreams where I hear you say, up to heaven, and I'll be there, still guiding your heart, still saying our prayer. Something in your eyes. Don't hang your head in sorrow, and please don't cry. I know how you feel inside. I've been there before. Something is changing inside you, and don't you know? Don't you cry tonight, I still love you, baby. Don't you cry tonight. Don't you cry tonight, there's heaven above, baby. And don't you cry.
side. Give me a kiss before you tell me goodbye. Don't you take it so hard now, and please don't take it so bad. I'll still be thinking of you and the times we had.